In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a thank you email for Mailerlite. We're going to set up an automated email that sends a warm thank you message to new subscribers as soon as they join one of your groups. This is perfect for welcoming people to your list, setting expectations, and starting the relationship on the right foot. And once it's set up, it runs completely on autopilot. First, log into your Mailerlite account. Once you're in the dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and click on Automations. This is where you create workflows that are triggered by your subscribers' actions. Next, click on New Automation. This starts the process of building a new workflow. On the screen that appears, choose the option to start from scratch. This gives you full control and is ideal for a simple thank you sequence. Give your workflow a clear name so you'll recognize it later, something like New Subscriber Thank You Email, and then click Start Building. You'll now be asked to set up your trigger, which is what tells Mailerlite when to send this email. Click on Select a Trigger and choose the option when a subscriber joins a group. This means the automation will start as soon as someone is added to the group you select, whether that's a sign-up form, a landing page, or a manual import. From the drop-down menu, pick the specific subscriber group you want to target with this thank you email. Then click Save. Take a second to double-check that you've chosen the correct group, since this is who will receive your message. Below the trigger, click on the plus icon and select Email. This adds an email step to your workflow. You'll be prompted to enter your subject line. Type something simple and friendly, like "Thank you for joining." You can always tweak this later for higher open rates. When you're ready, click Design Email. Now choose how you want to build the email itself. You can pick one of Mailerlite's templates, or select the drag-and-drop editor if you prefer to design your own layout. Use this space to write a warm welcome, explain what subscribers can expect from you, and maybe share a helpful link or resource. When you're happy with how everything looks, click Done Editing in the top right corner to save your design. Finally, go to the top of the workflow and toggle the switch from inactive to active. This turns your automation on so that every time someone joins that group, your thank you email is sent automatically.